Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Select All from Greg Adams. I'm Greg Adams, and I'm going to be making a video series playlist, probably going to be 9 or 10 videos of introducing everyone to like simple things that you can do with SSIS and simple things you can do with just SQL Server in general. So, without further ado, I want to just kind of go from A to Z, and we're going to install SQL Server first. Most of you, if you've found my videos, are already interested in SQL Server or had a college course, you probably already have SQL Server and SSMS. But if you don't, um, go to Google SQL Server download. You'll come to the screen. Always choose Microsoft.com for your downloads. I don't think you can get them anywhere else, but you'll come to this webpage. Scroll down, you'll see the Developer Edition and an Express Edition. I don't know the difference between the two, but I'm always sticking to the Developer Edition just for the sole fact that it'll give me more power later on in different uh, series of videos that I'll upload. We're going to dig into more things in SQL Server, like adding users, adding server roles, doing SQL Server authentication and things like that. That more than likely the developer uh, program will, or the developer edition will allow us to do easier than the Express, because I don't know if they'll allow us to do that or not. So go ahead and download it. It'll just download a launcher and it'll install extremely fast. I've already got it, so I'll just show you, what you'll see. Okay, you'll get to this window. You'll have 3 choices. I believe this just downloads the media file, and you can customize it. For the sake of our videos, we're just going to do basic. I'm always going to try to do the basic, easiest thing possible. So when you click that, you accept the terms. You'll get to the screen. You can install in the default location or choose a different one. I recommend the default just in case, because later on you may forget where you installed. If you altered the path, you may forget where it was, or accidentally point to the default directory. Just leave it alone. Just do it by default. Make it easy on yourself and your future self. Click install. I already have it installed. There will be a window after this. They'll say, congratulations, you have it. Do you want to download SSMS? You can do it. Click on that button, or you can just Google it, which I've already done. I just Googled that. Goes to this URL. It should go to the same one. Download this. Uh, I have the 17.9 version. I'll install this one off video, so I won't waste everyone's time. But download this. Is about 500, 600 megabytes or gigabytes. Sorry. Once you do that, it'll take, depending on your connection, 2 to 3 minutes. I want to close this out. Yes. Okay. I want to open this. You'll see the same thing on. And I'm not going to install this right now just because it'll take a little bit. The install process overall will be a lot longer than the SQL Server part. I would say this would probably take 10 to 15 minutes. I have a solid state hard drive, so it'll download and install at the same time. If you're a gamer, and if you've ever played like the really large games, like, I don't know if they do it now, but World of Warcraft has a launcher, and you just download the launcher, and then you download the game, and it installs at the same time. It's very, very, very similar to that. So I'm not going to waste y'all's time and just do it. I'll do it after the video. Um, but once it's done, it'll say finish. You probably won't have a launcher right here, so what I usually do is type in this, click on it, it'll pop up. You'll have the same window. So when you install SQL Server Management Studio, it already sets up a security username and profile for you, and it's under Windows Authentication. So what you do then is click Connect, and then you have a connection to your local SQL Server, and then just click on databases. I have a few databases I've been working with, over the past few years. Um, so as of right now, you're good to go with SQL Server to start learning it. In my next video, I'll continue on with installing. In this series, at least, I'm going to introduce you all to simple things you can do to SSIS, which is SQL Server Integration Services. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell so you'll know when my videos are uploaded. I'll try to be uploading videos about every week. So thanks everyone.